Alright, this is what's happening. Lift the wheel, line it up. I'm going to pick a flat spot just to show you what's going on with this thing. And this thing is cranked down, not as far as I can get it, but far enough to where it's going to, should cut that wire. Okay. Now I'm just going to take spurts at it. See what I mean? It immediately went right off to the damn side. And the little cut you see is where everything is missed. It's where it's hit it and missed it. Now I'm going to come back down on it again. This time, let's pick out a spot where it... Let's try a different wire. Hold on. Here's another one. Alright. Alright. Now see, I shouldn't have to go through this much trouble to get this wire to cut. Alright. Alright. Now that's cranked down pretty hard. And it doesn't matter if I just skim the top of it. Shouldn't have to. See? That's all I'm gonna show you. It don't cut the wire like it's supposed to, like your paper says it does.